You know, in today's video, we're going to be doing things just a little bit differently. Just a little bit, alright? So just bear with me. Let's get it. YouTube, what is going on? It's your boy Chris Rod here, and today is a very simple day because we're going to be putting some decals officially onto the Cobra. It's only one issue though, just one. And the first issue happens to be, I have this in my hand, so I mean, I don't know how this is going to go. We're just going to wing it, which is good. And although I just stated that this is one issue and I have one issue, turns out I have two. The second one is on the car. And that second problem or issue that I'm going to have is that, guess what? There's decals on the car currently, so I'm going to have to take these off in order to put the other ones on. And to keep it even better for you guys, this is exactly what you're going to end up needing just to do this. First off, grab a beer. And you're going to want to go ahead and grab, obviously, WD-40. You're going to want to grab some, in my case, thinner and or alcohol. But also, the last thing you'll need is a razor blade, because at the end of the day, I need something to take all this out. Let me show you how I'm going to do all this. First thing you're going to make sure is that you got your beer in your hand, and you make sure you have a swig, because you're a man, and I hope you're going to be doing this properly. Don't be a weakling. You know, I don't need that. I don't need that in my life. But at the same token, it's pretty much as simple as what you're going to be doing is spraying on a WD-40 onto the existing decal, which is what I'm doing. And then once you spray it onto the decal a little bit, take the razor blade, scrape it off, because you don't got to worry about scratching anything, considering this is glass. So you're pretty much good. That's exactly what I'm going to do. And just like that, decal's removed. Now you gotta clean it. So just cleaning all this off, I'm first gonna do a dry wipe. So just napkin alone, no thinner, no alcohol, just wipe it. I mean, what else can I say? Just wipe it, dude. Yes, you're gonna see the smearing of all the oil. That's okay, it's fine. It's not that big a deal. Just, once again, grab your beer, take a swig, it's okay. It's all right. And now that we have everything here all smeared, now we're ready to take our lacquer thinner and kind of just do what we gotta do. So legitimately just a dab of this stuff, because I mean, well, in my case, I'm using thinner, just a dab. But, you know, if you're using alcohol, drench it, I guess, whatever, I don't know. I'm telling you, it's a different kind of video. It's what I'm trying to tell you. Simple dab on a towel, some lacquer thinner, bro, it's okay. It's okay. And now that's taken care of, I just need another I need another dry wipe. And from there, we're pretty much ready to put our decal onto the car. I just don't know where I want it quite yet. Do I put it here, here, here? I don't know. I just want to give a huge shout out to the one and only J&G Finals. Guys, if you're looking for a decal within the Connecticut area, or even if you're not in Connecticut, because they ship to you, go to J&G Vinyls. Their IG's right here. I'll put it down below in the description. They got an email here too. I'll put that down in the description below. Be sure to check them out, because they're the ones that helped me out get these decals and went through the little process I wanted to go through. And I just wanted to use somebody else instead of a random company online. I'd rather use a local than use the other ones. So guess what? J&G Vinyls, y'all know what to do. Check them out, get your decals. So guys, after standing here for about maybe 15 to 20 minutes, I think I'm finally deciding where I'm putting it. And I think I'm just going to put it like literally kind of right in the middle of this particular triangular piece of the car, or of the glass rather. And you know, I don't know, the first time doing this, maybe you can give me some pointers later. I have more decals, so it's okay. I'm just gonna settle this. I think I'm gonna try and use the body line. Oh, shit. And I think that's it, actually. Yo, I screwed up, but it's stuck, so there's that. Guys, and just like that, we got our decal on, and all you gotta do is do the same thing on the opposite side, and you're pretty much done. So yeah, if I'm being honest with you, I mean, that's really it. I mean, I don't know what else to say, but you know, the only thing there is to say is that this can't be opened. But I hope you enjoyed this video. And I mean, you know what? That's really just as simple as it is. That's how you do a decal. And if you think about it, we really went from the louvers that were fake to some real actual decals. I mean, you can't complain about that. You really can't. I mean, this is some good stuff. And once again, be sure to check out J&G Vinyls. Go get your decals from them. You know you want to support. Come on, this go check them out. And with all that being said, if you guys found this video enjoyable and or helpful in any kind of way, be sure to leave a like, and don't forget for your boy, that is a huge mosquito. Holy! Look at the size of that thing, dude. Is that a female? Jesus. But with all that being said, if you guys found this video enjoyable and or helpful in any kind of way, be sure to leave a like, and don't forget for your boy, be sure to join the click by simply smashing the subscribe button, and as well as ring that notification bell. Till then, it's my boy Chris Ryan, to see all you beautiful people in the next one. Peace.
Pero no la maltrate, no es simplemente una mata. Préndele, do cacha y sube para